New Mazda BT-50 2019, Mazda BT-50 Pro 2019, all new Mazda BT-50 2019, new Ava Mazda BT-50 2019, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Mazda brand. The title of the article we take is New Mazda BT-50 2019, Mazda BT-50 Pro 2019, all new Mazda BT-50 2019, new Ava Mazda BT-50 2019, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. New Mazda BT-50 2019, Mazda BT-50 Pro 2019, all new Mazda BT-50 2019, new Ava Mazda BT-50 2019, new cars by. The Mazda fans will be glad to hear that the new BT-50 is on its way to hit the market as a 2019 model. According to the information we have got, the third generation of the BT-50 truck is going to show some significant improvements in terms of styling, but also under its hood. Exterior, the 2019 Mazda BT-50 is expected to get some distinctive and modern features as the next generation truck, although it has already been compared by many to the Ford Ranger model. However, it could become a serious competition to the Volkswagen Amarok, as we have been informed. When it comes to innovations, the new BT-50 will be using lightweight materials in building its chassis. Such a chassis of the reduced weight will only improve the acceleration, fuel efficiency, and the total performance of the vehicle. Everything on this truck will be more fashionable, elegant, and a bit aggressive. In the front fascia, there is a large, dominant grille made of stainless steel. The massive bumper has also been redesigned and you will also notice the halogen headlights and simple but modern fog lights. The new BT-50 is expected to stand on either 16-inch or 17-inch aluminum wheels. Interior. What you can expect inside the 2019 Mazda BT-50 will definitely depend on the configuration and the trim you choose. However, one thing is for sure, you will not be disappointed. Whether you decide upon a 2-door or a 4-door cab, you will get plenty of space inside the cabin of the new 2019 Mazda BT-50. Spacious and comfortable, the cabin is also expected to be furnished with high-quality materials such as leather in higher trims or a black cloth in lower ones. It will be able to accommodate up to 4 or even 5 passengers and all of them will get large, comfortable, and adjustable seats. The driver will also get a leather-wrapped steering wheel and a 7.8-inch touchscreen in the center console. The latest infotainment system will be offering options such as navigation, audio system, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connectivity and USB ports. A real treat, especially for younger population. When it comes to safety systems, the BT-50 will provide adaptive cruise control, seat belts, airbags, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, traction control system, blind spot monitoring, and others. Engine. 2 options have been discussed in terms of engine of the 2019 Mazda BT-50. The first of them is the well-known 3.2-liter 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine, able to deliver 198 horsepower and 347 pound-feet of torque. Another possibility would come with a 2.2-liter 3-cylinder engine which produces 148 horsepower. The new BT-50 is expected to be offered with a 6-speed manual and automatic transmission and with a front-wheel and all-wheel drive system. 2019 Mazda BT-50. The release date of the 2019 Mazda BT-50 has not been confirmed, but it should make its debut by the end of next year or in early 2019. The expected price of the base model starts around $30,000. Thanks.